In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a Canon printer not printing anything. Now there are few reasons for that. The most common reason is the loss of Wi-Fi network. If you are using your printer on the Wi-Fi, it's a very common thing, like if it's disconnect from the Wi-Fi and when you send a print command it will not print anything. It's very important to go and check on the printer screen if the Wi-Fi is working and if it is disconnected or not. Once you figure out that, if that doesn't fix it, the next thing is to go and see the ink level. Now most of the printers have a display panel where you can see the ink level. If it is an ink tank printer, you can see the ink level there. So it gives a clear idea if the ink is there or if it has run out. So you can fix the ink and then you can start using it. The third reason is sometimes there is a paper jam in the printer. Now if there is a paper jam, you can just go inside the printer and check there. And there should be a warning light flashing on the printer screen. Now if everything is okay, that means now you can fix it and you can start using your printer. Fourth thing is your printer is out of the paper. Once your printer is out of the paper, it will not print anything. So you have to make sure there are enough pages in the printer to print. And the last point is having too many print jobs. Sometimes we send a lot of print jobs to the printer and it don't print because there may be a ink running out, there may be a paper jam, or maybe the paper is not available in the tray. So when you send a new print command, it will not print anything unless it finishes its previous job. So you can either cancel it or you can resume the printing while fixing the error. Thanks for watching.